Hi everyone, my name is Liz Brown and I'm a professor in the Department of Criminal Justice Studies and currently serving as chair of the department. Students who come to our program are by and large interested in one of three fields. Things like working as a police officer, working as a parole officer, probation officer. Actually, the majority of our students go into fields that support and work towards the larger goals of the criminal justice system, such as working in the nonprofit world, being a policy and analyst, somebody who might do direct services in the field of case management or running programs like anger management programs. It might run things like work with youth, such as being a youth advocate, doing youth after school programs. In addition, many of our students go into the legal fields, becoming a paralegal, becoming a court clerk. I am somebody who is interested in the intersections between geographical space, most specifically urban neighborhoods, and the policing of youth. Like me, most of our faculty in the department come from an incredibly diverse array of perspectives. We have myself, who has a PhD actually in geography. We have a number of people who have PhDs in sociology, PhDs in criminology, and even PhDs in education and social welfare. We're especially interested in thinking about the role between the U.S. criminal justice system in systemic inequality, and also how the criminal justice system impacts systemic inequality as well. We have 3 different criminal law attorneys on staff. We have youth law advocates on staff. We have former police officers who teach in our program. And we also have people who have been incarcerated who also teach in our program. So we have a diverse array of perspectives, and we approach that diversity with an open and inclusive lens to foregrounding not only critical thinking about the criminal justice system, but also how and why the system looks the way it does. Our classes provide both a foundation within the kind of more nuts and bolts, you might call it, of the criminal justice system. So things like, what is criminal law? What are police agencies? What is their primary purpose? What is the role of the court? What is case law that's important to the understanding of the criminal justice system, all the way towards larger issues such as what is the impact of the operation of the criminal justice system with respect to immigration? Why should we care about things related to gender and sexuality in prisons and in incarceration more broadly? And finally, how do various aspects of society contribute to criminalization and incarceration? The kind of students that really thrive in our program are students who are interested in larger questions about criminal justice, about what is the role of police in community, about what is the role of incarceration in society, about what is the best way to ensure that everybody is afforded the safety and security to have a good life. But again, we're a more inclusive, open tent approach to criminal justice education, and so we have students from all walks of life. Finally, some resources for you that you might be interested in. The Bureau of Justice Statistics, the Office of Juvenile Justice and Delinquency Prevention, and some of the larger policy-oriented organizations like the Center on Juvenile and Criminal Justice right here in San Francisco. In addition, you can learn more about our program at the CJ website at cj.sfsu.edu, and I highly encourage you to check those out and try to get involved. All right, thanks for talking with me today. Talk with you all soon. Bye-bye.